Hi, Big Jim here in Lucille Marie, checking out my vacuum lid for the resin trap. You may have noticed on the resin trap that we have a valve with a pressure valve with two fittings, and the pressure is applied, or the vacuum is applied on one side, and then we can then suck the resin or any liquids out from the other side. The only problem is that as it comes in, it doesn't go into the trap entirely. Sometimes it actually gets sucked into the pump. Now, when we were just doing water, that's a bad thing, but not a tragedy. If you had sucked in resin, that's a tragedy, and we want to try to avoid that. So what I was envisioning is trying to find a fitting. Now I can't find the fitting. What did I do with the fitting? Is it in my pocket? A vacuum fitting that would be able to be an additional vacuum fitting to be added to the lid, so that we can apply the vacuum to a different part of the lid, and then this would be the fitting that the resin would be sucked into. If it's if you know, again, you don't want to suck the resin into the trap. The trap is there to protect the pump. So the idea here is that we would apply the vacuum. It would come to the fitting if we don't check it, and then at that point, as a matter of fact, here's the fitting. I just tested the hole to see if the drill bit was this right size. So to test the fitting, or to apply the vacuum to the secondary fitting, and then this fitting would be the one where the actual resin is drawn to, and then hopefully not go into the pump. So if it goes into two separate fittings, then we're fine. Now, a lot of resin traps already have two separate fittings, but believe it or not, I can't find a single vacuum fitting or tubing or threaded tubing or anything that will fit this stupid thing that's a 1/2 inch. And this lid is very thick. It's 3/4 of an inch at least. And so nothing that I found will fit it. And I've gone through all the box stores. I've gone through all the plumbing supply stores. There's probably one out there somewhere. I mean, obviously this fitting came from somewhere. I just can't find one that's similar to it that will give me the same pleasure. As a matter of fact, I couldn't even find a fitting for the other side of this for a 1/2 inch hose. So that was another thing. I couldn't find a fitting just like this one for the opposite side, because I can't find, they don't make them. For whatever reason, they don't make that size. Anyways, so that's where we are right now. And I'm going to start drilling through the plastic. This is acrylic. I'm gonna go very, very slowly because I don't want to crack this or break this lid, because then we're out of business and we got to start over from scratch. And then we'll go from there. So let's hope it works. Talk to you later.